Found a really good spot right here. A lot of current. Yeah, there we go. Oh, hit there. We're on. Nice one. Oh yeah, on again. What is up, everyone? We are back, and today I am fishing pretty much a new river. I fished, one spot of the river. It's just a nice little waterfall. It actually connects to the creek that we fished in that last video. So I'm optimistic, man. There's got to be some good trout in here. I'm coming up on this nice deep hole here. That looks juicy, man. So we're gonna get right into it. Stop talking. Let's do it. So I actually forgot my boots today. We're gonna have to work with what we got, but thankfully most of this creek is accessible by foot. There's a park that goes right next to it, and I think some trails too. So we'll see how much we can get to. All right, took around 10 casts in here. Let's see if we can get even farther down the river. There's a little waterfall. We're gonna see if we can reach that, but there's a lot of brush in the way. Oh yeah, we're on. Got a nice little one. Nice little brownie. Nice little guy right there. We're gonna try to let him go quick because I can't really access it here too much. Nice little guy. Bye bye. Oh, we got one. Nice. That was pretty good. I mean, we're only 5 minutes into fishing. That's not a bad sign at all. Definitely not the best release I've done, but we got him out, and that's all that matters. This is why I should have brought my boots. Some nice structure on this creek. Definitely be coming back here. Oh, hit there. We're on. Nice one. Nice rainbow. That's fish number 2. Freaking 10 minutes into fishing then. That's nuts. Nice rainbow there. We're gonna let him go. Freaking 10 minutes into fishing, man. You got 2 fish. You cannot complain with that. This rainbow and the other rainbow I caught last time, super aggressive. Really surprised at that, because they are stockies. They come down from the main pond, or they could have been stocked in here, either or. But I don't think a fish like that has been in here long enough to become a wild fish, But, you never know. We've had a lot of rain the last couple days, and it's just made this trout fishing, I think, super good. Because you want a steady flow in the stream. But I think just this flow is the perfect, recipe for some good trout fishing. It's not high enough to where it's pushing all the fish down the river. And it's not too high where there isn't current cutoffs next to current, You know what I mean. Now, I could be casting in every one of these little areas. But, most of it's shallow. And I'm going for those high priority areas where I think there's going to be a fish. And if there is one, I probably will catch it. I'm not just going to fish every little stretch of the river. There's no point in that, I could do that on a day where I'm just kind of fishing the whole river, I guess. I don't know. I'm kind of just rambling, but, I'm not going to go to the river and just outfish it. I've kind of made the idea to, catch a fish out of a hole and then move on. Not just fish the same hole for as long as it takes, So we're actually right where I parked. So I walked a decent bit downstream. But, yeah, there's still a lot of stretch of river I think I can walk to. So hopefully we can find some more fish. If not, I'm already happy, dude. Caught 2 fish in 10 minutes of fishing. That's pretty good. You're wondering what I'm using. Very simple, dude. I'm using a little ultralight combo I got here. I got Ugly Stick GX2. It's the ultralight, and then I got a Lose Mr. Trout, I think, 4-pound fluoro, and then I got this this black 1/8 rooster tail. It's my favorite spinner for trout. I always kill them on this. Really good hole right here. We're gonna see how this pans out. This river seems just the majority more shallow than the other one. So like I said, it connects to that upper river I was fishing, and that one it's got a lot more deep pockets. It's a lot wider. This is a little more skinnier, and I'd say an average of like 2 feet of deepness, maybe less. You know, it's not crazy. You know, back to what I was saying before, I think a better way to look at it is, you know, I'm pretty much scouting this place right now. I'm not taking too much time at one spot. I'm taking like a whole broad survey of it to see. And I'm not gonna fish the whole thing until I know where all the good holes are. You know, I'm just going off past experience at this point, you know, just guessing where these fish will be and just looking around for the fish. Found a really good spot right here. A lot of current. Yeah, there we go. Oh, came off, dude. It's a nice one. Should have started off here. I didn't have them pinned. A lot of current coming through here. That's what you want to see. Well, went back on what I said. I just figured there'd be another fish in there. That's why I kept casting in it. But I don't know. It's looking better and better as I go up. So we will have to see. I'm coming up on a bridge. So this place seems to be pretty popular. I don't know about fishing, you know. I've been catching them. I know a lot of people fish the pond, but how many people actually fish the river? That's what I'm curious about. Yeah, there seems to be a good bit of trails here, which is good and bad, you know. It's easily accessible, but then that will bring more fishermen. You just have to be willing to go to the spots nobody else wants to go. You know, that's all it is. That's how you get them. That's the whole secret to it, you know. You go where no one else goes. It's not really rocket science. The spot's pressured. Go to the spot that isn't pressured. Now this right here is what you're looking for. If there's not a fish in here, I don't know, man. This is, it looks like at least 4 feet deep in some parts, and it's just a very huge deep hole. There's gotta be fish in here. Might not be hanging out in this slack water though. Might have to go towards the current. Oh, I got one. Never mind. Oh, he freaking came off, bro. Oh, right by the shore. That's annoying. Well, I forgot what I said. There's got to be a couple fish in here, so I'll be fishing this for a little bit. Oh, I just had a hit. Yeah, dude. This spot is good. This definitely contends with that other creek, too. This, like, the more and more I walk up it, the better and better it gets. You don't see that a lot of places. There we are. Nice one. Nice one. Oh yeah, nice rainbow. Beautiful rainbow. We're gonna let him go. There he goes. Okay. That is a good sign, bro. So we had a hit, and then we caught a fish. And there's still plenty of space in this water, so guaranteed there's at least a couple more in here. I'll throw around a few more times. It's a nice hole right here. It's kind of deep. There's a little crevice I can see. You know, it's hard to just see it on the camera, so I'll just convey it the best I can, you know. Oh yeah, I just had a hit right away. That's crazy. Oh yeah, on again. This looks like a brownie. Yep. Not the best spot to do this. Oh guy. Little guy. Okay. There he goes. Just let him go. Kind of a tough hook to get out. Didn't want to stress him out anymore. All right, that ends off the day. What a freaking day that was, man. Just going to a pretty much new spot for me. I've seen it on the maps. I fished just that one hole, like I said, but never this whole stretch right here. And it's actually very accessible, man. There's a park, and I just parked there and then walk these trails, dude. Like it's easy. It's an easy spot. Doesn't seem like there's too much fishing pressure here, and boy is the fishing good. Caught 4 fish, 2 rainbows, 2 browns, and then we missed 3. So it's a good day in my books, man. Like, I'd say that's pretty much a perfect day of trout fishing. So anyway, gonna keep getting out here, man. I'm looking for new spots every day. And if you like the video, make sure you like, drop a little comment, subscribe. Peace out, y'all.